We'll be looking at 4 areas of returns: where you set your return address, how you set your return policy and how you apply those to listings, account number return settings, and how you manage returns which are sent by your customers. Your return address is set under Account Settings and then Addresses. From here you can set your return address. Your listing level return policies are also set from Account Settings. If you go to Business Policies and then Returns Policies, you can see the returns policies which will apply to your listings. You can click on a return policy to edit it. Here you have the option to set a name for your return policy, a description, and you can set whether it's a default return policy. You can select whether returns are accepted. As a business seller, you will have to accept returns as it is government legislation. There are a range of different days, 14, 30 or 60 days, for which you can accept returns. Bear in mind that you need to offer a minimum of 30 days for your listings to be premium listings and be eligible for a 10% fee discount. You can choose who the return postage will be paid by, the buyer or the seller, and you can choose similarly whether you accept international returns or not. To set return policy at the listing level, go to Edit Your Listing and the Sell Your Item form and scroll down, and you'll see under Business Policies the return policy, and this is where you set the return policy for that listing. The account number return settings are set from the Seller Hub. If you go to Sell, which takes you to the Seller Hub, and then Orders, and under Settings, Return Preferences. Here there are 2 options: first to send a refund and to approve a refund. You can automatically send a refund if the total refund is below a certain item and the customer chooses a certain reason. So for example, you could say if the order is less than £10 and it arrives damaged, then you will automatically refund the customer. Secondly, you can automatically approve a refund if it's below a certain amount and a certain reason. Under advanced return rules, you can do a combination of things. So you can say it's between a certain value and the return reason is, specify a certain category or a certain product, and either approve returns or automatically refund under those conditions. The returns that have been sent back can be seen from the Seller Hub, which under Sell and then Orders and then Returns. Here you will see a list of the returns that have been sent back and the status. So these ones here have been sent back for our track service, so you can see that they're because they've been recorded as delivered, they are eligible for a refund. Or by clicking on this link, Issue Refund, you can issue the refund directly from within eBay. These ones here have not yet been received back. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.